Hey happy bees, it's Amanda and today we're going to make this cute little Easter bunny rabbit together. I made this using Renshaw modelling paste and you can find links in the description below for everything that you need to make your own bunny below. So we're creating the body first, and I've rolled my modelling paste into kind of like a teardrop shape. I've used my fingers to create a little round tummy. I've used a quilting tool to create a line down the middle, and now I'm inserting a cocktail stick to give it some support. I've created two skinny legs, and now we're going to create some big paws for our bunny. Use a cake modelling tool or even a cocktail stick to create some lines and indentations, and I've done this on the paws, the legs and their little body. Going to create some paw prints using some Renshaw baby pink fondant. So we're taking a small piece, going to roll it into a ball, and once we've got it into a circle, you're going to push your finger down and flatten that ball out a bit. Stick that kind of in the bottom part of the foot but not right at the very bottom, and do the same with 3 smaller pieces of fondant and stick those onto the top of the paw, kind of in an upside down V shape. Use a ball tool to create 2 little indentations on the bottom half of your topper. It's just going to make those legs easier to slide in. Place bunny's legs on, and if you need to trim them, work away, and I've also placed a cocktail stick inside the legs to give them some support because these paws are so big. I had to put cocktail sticks inside or else they wouldn't have stuck on. And now it's time to create a cute little face for our bunny. So I've rolled some of the modelling paste into a teardrop shape, and I've used this cake decorating tool to create an indentation for a mouth. I'm giving our little bunny a cute little pink nose, and I'm using this tool, I'm not too sure what it's called. I first of all used it to create an indentation like 2 circles, and then I'm using the pointy side to make the eyes into teardrop shapes. Taking some baby blue fondant, I've rolled it into a teardrop shape as well. We're going to place that inside the eye socket, and we're going to do the same with some black fondant and place it on top. Don't forget to create catch lights with some white edible paint and some little eyelashes with some black edible paint. And if you're enjoying this Easter tutorial, you can learn how to make more Easter themed cakes and toppers by clicking on the link above. Time to create some big massive bunny ears. So roll out your modelling paste into a flat shape and pinch it at either side, and then you're going to just work with it and shape it so that it looks more Easter bunny ear like. Don't forget to create those little indentations. And you're going to create the arms same way you created the legs, just a snake of fondant cut in half. Now it's time to stick our arms and our ears on, and I also created some little eyebrows for our bunny at this point. I hope you had fun following along with me and making your own Easter bunny. If you did, I'd love for you to subscribe and become part of the Happy Bee Cakes family. I'll see you next week. Bye guys!